Hey guys, and welcome back to Random Stuff. I am your host, Isaiah, or Isaiah for short, and let's get into this video. So, you may be wondering why you're staring down at my pink bed sheets. Well, it's because I'm doing an unboxing video. So, if you're wondering what this is, my cousin's girlfriend actually got me the JcJenson pen, and I've been wanting this since ever it came out. I've actually been wanting this since ever it was announced that they were making a pen. So let's unbox this because I am really excited. So let's do this. Alright, so I got it out of the plastic, and by the way, this is the back right here. It has the little Murder Drone School, the Glitch Productions logo, and the little recycling logo. So yeah, let's open this. I'm actually going to grab my scissors because I want to keep the box and I want to keep it nice. So I'm going to grab my scissors and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the tape open and let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm really scared. I'm so happy. So, alright. Okay. I'm gonna read that in a second. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna read it in a second. Here's the pen. Here's the pen. I'm crying. Oh, and that's satisfying. I am so happy right now. Alright, let me read what that little thing was. I haven't read through this, so I'm gonna read it, but welcome to the JcJenson Space and Robotics Division. Based on your pass score of our corporate family value family time index, the entire team has pleased you to a present with you with a I can't speak. Branded pen, pill to ingest alone in a low traffic area. That's concerning. I mean, that's totally not concerning. Okay, we know you're eager to join our top team and start producing surplus value for shareholders. I cannot read. I don't know why. But let's begin with some common workplace hazards and what you can do to reduce their impact. Always remember, JcJenson in space. Liability is our passion, safety is the results. Please refer to the workplace safety section printed on the back for further information. Alright, here is the back. Has a little JcJenson logo, and then workplace safety. Please be aware of our safety protocol should you encounter any of the following hazards. In the event of workplace injury, visit the employee portal to access the crowdfunding resources. And again, I don't know what I will put the pronunciation on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Unionizing.
We fully support unions. Report organizations immediately so we can throw them a surprise party. Okay. Man, I love the show. Okay. Government audit. I don't know how to pronounce these words. Help. I am an idiot. Okay.
Audit.
Shredders are conveniently located on every floor. Alright. Whistleblowers. Shredders are conveniently located on every... Okay. I think you said that already. Position 1, position 2. Post to late stage capitalism. Practice yoga for mindfulness. Okay. Singularity event. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna have to check that out. That's cool. I'm gonna have to check that out. Oh my gosh, I love this show. Okay. Disclaimer, JcJenson resumes no liability, legal or otherwise, for anything. Viewing this document, you agree to transfer all the legal rights and personhood to JcJenson and again, I'll put the pronunciation on the screen because I'm dumb and I don't know how to pronounce anything.
Perpetuity.
But yeah, I am keeping all this. I am so happy that I got this. I don't even know it's a little circle. That's cool. But again, this is a look for the pen. If you are a Murder Guns fan, I highly recommend getting this pen. But actually, before I end the video, I'm gonna go grab some paper to test how the ink is. Okay, I got some paper and I'm going to write with the pen. Ooh, wait, how does that actually feel kind of smooth up? Okay, I like it. I like it. I actually like it. My handwriting isn't the best because I am, whatever. I'm looking through the camera and trying to write. Trust me, my handwriting is way better than this. But I really like this. So if you are a Murder Guns fan, I highly recommend getting the JcJenson in Space pen. Anyways, guys, that is it for this episode of Random Stuff. I hope you guys liked it. I'm really sorry for my horrible reading skills. But yeah. Anyways, goodbye, and I will see you in the next YouTube video and or short that I post on the channel. Goodbye.